name is Pierre and today the shower is broken. So I'm gonna take it to the wash machine, man.
It's actually dishwasher, man. Man, get in. You're nearly there. Right, just close it up. Man, keep your flipper in. Yeah. Yeah. Am I hurting your foot, man? Man, get your flippers in. Get the fucking flippers in, man. Man, I'm just gonna close it, right?
Yeah, just
push it, right? Mike. Man, it won't close. Right, it's on, man.
I'm gonna stay stuck.
It's on, man.
Ah, shit!
Shit.
Oh, man. What the fuck, man?
Oh, shit.
Wet. Come on, water. Water.
Shit, man. What? Oh,